Children, welcome to our science class. Our today's topic is terrestrial or land plants. These plants require moderate amount of water and are also known as mesophytes. The soil in which they are grown also have moderate moisture. We see these plants in our surroundings. Example, mango tree, neem tree, peepal tree, rose plant, etc. The plants which require moderate amount of water are known as mesophytes, or they are also known as terrestrial or land plants. The soil in which they are grown also have moderate moisture. We see these plants in our surrounding. Examples are mango tree, neem tree, peepal tree, rose plant, etc. जो प्लांट जिनमें मॉडरेट मीन्स ना कम ना ज़्यादा, बीच का, जिसमें न ज़्यादा पानी चाहिए न ज़्यादा मॉइस्चर चाहिए, ऐसे प्लांट्स को हम बोलते हैं मीज़ोफाइट्स. इन्हें हम टेरेस्ट्रियल या लैंड प्लांट्स भी बोलते हैं. इसके एग्जांपल्स हैं मैंगो ट्री, नीम ट्री, पीपल ट्री, रोज प्लांट, एक्सेट्रा. वाई कांट वी सी कोकोनट ट्रीज कॉमनली इन दिल्ली? Coconut trees are grown in coastal areas, so we cannot see them in Delhi because their environment is not suitable for these trees to grow in Delhi. We never grow lotus in pots. We cannot grow lotus in pots because they are partially submerged plants. They need water bodies to grow. Okay. Some terrestrial plants grow in very cold places as in hilly areas. Even then, they even form forests which are known as coniferous forests. They have needle-like leaves to check the water loss and bear cones instead of flowers. They are known as conifers because of their shape. Some fruit trees like apples, cherries and plums also grow there. Some terrestrial plants grow in cold places or in hilly areas, and they form the forest which are known as coniferous forest. They have needle-like leaves and they bear cones. Instead of flower, they bear cones. They are known as conifers because they are of cone shape. Okay? Because of their shape, they are known as conifers. Some fruits like apple, cherries and plum also grow there. कुछ टेरेस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स मतलब लैंड प्लांट कोल्ड प्लेसेस में भी होते हैं या हिली एरियाज़ में होते हैं. वे एक घना जंगल बनाते हैं जिसे हम बोलते हैं कॉनिफरस फॉरेस्ट. उनकी लीव्स नीडल लाइक होती हैं जिससे कि वाटर लॉस को बचा सकें. ओके, नीडल लाइक होती है मतलब उनकी जो लीव्स हैं वो ऐसे कोन की तरह होती हैं, इस तरह से कोन जैसी होती हैं. ठीक है, क्यों होती हैं कोन जैसी? जैसे कि जब बारिश होती है या स्नोफॉल होता है, जब बारिश या स्नोफॉल होता है तो इन लीव्स में वाटर या स्नो रुकता नहीं है. ठीक है, इसीलिए उनकी लीव्स कोन या नीडल लाइक होती है और इसीलिए उनके फ्लावर्स भी कोन शेप में होते हैं. ओके, सम ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल एंड कॉमनेस्ट प्लांट्स हैव डेडली लीव्स, फ्लावर्स और फ्रूट्स. एग्जाम्पल ब्लैक नाइट शेड, आइवी, थॉर्न एप्पल, एक्सेट्रा. Never eat any part of a plant unless you are quite sure to do so. There are some deadly plants also because they have deadly leaves, flowers or fruits. Examples are black nightshade, ivy, thorn apple, etc. We should never eat these plants unless you are quite sure to eat it because it is poisonous. Okay, that is why they are called deadly plants or because they have deadly leaves, flowers or fruits. Now coming to check yourself, what are mesophytes? Mesophytes are those plants which require moderate amount of water. Okay, describe conifer trees. Conifer trees have needle-like leaves to check the water loss and they also bear cone-like flowers. Okay, they are grown in cold places and where do you find them? They are found in hilly areas and in cold places. Where do you find trees like apple and cherries? Trees like apple and cherries are found in hilly areas or they are found in coniferous forest. We can also write coniferous forest. Okay. Now, next topic is xerophytic plants. Plants which grow in dry sandy land are known as desert plants or xerophytic plants. Here rainfall is poor, so very little water is available to these plants. Xerophytes have well developed roots which spread in the ground in search of water. The leaves are modified into spines to reduce the loss of water through transpiration. The stem usually stores water and does the function of photosynthesis. Example is Opuntia, cactus and acacia. What are xerophytic plants? Plants which grow in sandy land, dry sandy land are known as desert plant or xerophytic plant. Here rainfall is very poor, so the water, very little water is available to these plants. Okay, that is why they are called as desert plants. They have well developed roots which spread in the ground in search of water, and their leaves are also modified into spines so that there is less water loss through transpiration, and their stems store food and water and perform the function of photosynthesis. Okay, examples are acacia and opuntia. प्लांट्स जो सूखे सैंडी लैंड, बालू वाली ज़मीन में, सूखी बालू वाली ज़मीन में रहते हैं, उन्हें बोलते हैं डेजर्ट प्लांट या ज़ीरोफिटिक प्लांट. यहाँ पे क्योंकि रेनफॉल बहुत पुअर होती है, मतलब बहुत कम रेनफॉल होती है, और इसलिए वाटर भी बहुत कम वहाँ पे उनको मिलता है, इसीलिए इनके जो रूट्स हैं वो स्प्रेड कर जाते हैं. इनके रूट्स स्प्रेड करके ग्राउंड से वाटर को एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. ठीक है, इनकी लीव्स हैं वे स्पाइंस में मॉडिफाइड हो जाती हैं जिससे कि वाटर लॉस कम हो. यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो इनकी लीव्स ऐसे स्पाइन में कन्वर्टेड है, मॉडिफाइड है. ओके, और स्टेम इनके यूजुअली वाटर स्टोर करते हैं और फोटोसिंथेसिस का फंक्शन परफॉर्म करते हैं. ओके, मीन्स इन प्लांट्स में स्टेम परफॉर्म्स द फंक्शंस ऑफ लीव्स. ओके, एग्जाम्पल्स आर ओpuntia, cactus and acacia. Okay children, now this much for today's class. In next class we will discuss about epiphytic plants. Till then stay safe, stay at home, keep on learning. Thank you children.